Hey guys, welcome back to Planting Life Matters. I went on a little shopping run. I went to a local grocery store called Aldi to pick up pumpkins like I do every year. They have the best selection and the best price. Everywhere else that I go, your local big box stores literally are double to triple the price of their big, large pumpkins. But while I was there, oh yeah, I picked up a little cookies too, had to have that. While I was there, I found that they had bulbs up front when I was getting ready to check out, tulips and a great variety for only $4.99 with 25 bulbs per pack. So I got about 200 bulbs to start with, and we'll talk more about those later. I was on a pumpkin excursion, a pumpkin run. So I went to Lowe's, and they have a huge variety of sizes, but once again, their smallest size was actually more than what I paid for the big ones. That's $4.48 for that little bitty one. Those large ones that I have, I paid only $3, I think, and maybe 98 cents per pumpkin. And I'm talking huge pumpkins. The other thing that I noticed about Lowe's, I wanted corn stalks. If you buy them plain without the nice little decorations on the front of them, as you're seeing there with the pine cone, those are $24.99. But if you get them plain without anything, it's $10.98. So I got two of the plain ones, and all you have to do is hot glue or tie with some ribbon anything that you want onto the front of it to save money. So I ran to another store and picked up a couple of $3 items that I'm going to show you later how I added it to my corn stalks. And so that's that. Save half the amount. Also, while I was there, I came across some more Everillo Carex grass by Southern Living. I love these beautiful grasses, especially as you can see when they blow in the wind. I picked up 10 of those. They're the quart size. I think they were regular price $12.98 each. So I'll show what I'm doing with those a little bit later as well. So I was able to get all the pumpkins in the truck, and I just got 6. And the grasses and 200 bulbs, all within about an hour or so. It's amazing how much damage you can do in a store in just 1 hour. So I'm looking forward to getting these items in the ground and show you where I'm going to be placing them. I got rid of a small car because I never could fit trees in it. Every time I make a Home Depot or Lowe's run, I couldn't get anything in it. So I became a truck girl, and I'm loving it. But somehow I still got things inside the car. So I can't have my pumpkins back there just rolling around in the back bed of the truck. You do what you gotta do. Are you gonna help me plant, Jackson?
No.
No? You're not gonna help me plant anything?
Yes.
Which one do you like?
The plant.
Yes, it smells good.
So
Yeah.
plant. What's that?
Come back here, girl. Come back here.
Come on back here. And you pick me up.
If I pick you up, the butterfly is going to fly away. Yeah, I can't pick you up there. Can we finish our shopping now? Can we go now? I'm over here. Jackson, pick out some more. Let's get more. And then put them on the basket. Okay? Get some different color. Pick whatever you want. He keeps going back to the white ones. I like the white ones too. Jackson, do you like these? Look. Look at all the pretty colors.
Look at the tiny one. Hold on. Tiny.
It is tiny.
I want to
Let him see. You like the tiny one?
So tiny. I put it in a little bit pumpkin in the
Yes,
basket.
sir. Okay, let me move this basket, and then you can go get some more. It's funny how you kind of got all of them You don't want to get any of the ornamental boards? You don't like them because they have the little bumps on them, right? I think they're cute. Like, look at that. That is so adorable. Okay, we gotta have that one. I love that. You like that one, Jack? Oh, look, Jackson. Maybe we get something that's shaped a little different. You like that? Okay, they don't like the ones that have the little bumps on them. I do. I like that. I'm getting that too. Huh? Oh, that's pretty. I do like that. We already have several of those.
Look at the tiny one.
Yes. Okay, put that one back. We have several of those already. No, that's enough of those. Well, okay then. All right, let's go check out. I think we're good. That's good enough for right now. And then we'll go get the larger ones when we leave here.
Today.
Well,
We might not have enough room.
we do have enough room. Y'all can get in the back of the truck, in the truck bed. I'm just kidding. Okay. All right, let's go. I like the green ones too.
I like this
Which
orange.
one? You like the orange or the green?
Orange.
Oh, that is a pretty pumpkin. I like that one. Ooh, the orange and the green. Which one? You like that one? That is pretty. What about these, Maddie? Why don't you like those? They are kind of gross.
That one is too heavy.
Yeah. Okay, I think we got enough. Hey, you ready? You ready to help me with the pumpkins? All right, let's get you out of here.
What?
Yes.
What happened to your pumpkin?
Oh, they fell all over.
It fell all
They did.
over.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. They fell. We got to get them out of the truck. Let's go this way. Yes, sir. Come on. Come on. Oh. All right. Can you help me get some of those out? Hey, why don't you get the big green one there? It's not that heavy. Does it look funny?
Green on it.
Yeah, pick it up.
Green pumpkin.
Yeah, can you get that for me? Let's take that one to the house. You got it?
Get it?
Yes, good job. Take it over there. Take it over there. Good job.
I take it over.
Yes. Where do you want to put it? Where do you want to put it? Huh?
Yeah.
Where would you like to put it? Okay. All right. Thank you. Is that all? You're going to help me clean some more out of the truck? Oh, you worked so hard, didn't you?
Can we get ours now?
Okay, you can get that one. That's not where we're going to leave them, but that's okay.
Can we get me
Yes, the corn. One at a time. We're going to be here a while. Tell you what, we're going to speed this up and come back to you.
The corn.
Play around with, see what we can have fun with the grandkids today, and make some maybe floral arrangements and pumpkin displays. And I'm really excited to do this with them. And I'm probably more excited than they are, if I'm being honest. But that's what we're going to work on. So let's figure out what we can do with these fun items. I have really poor soil here because of some decomposed granite that was left over one time in the driveway from another project. I scooted it over to the side. But since then I've added compost and other dirt, but it still just isn't the greatest soil, so some things struggle here. So I am burying my pots, my clay pots, and you know, things dry out a lot faster in pots anyway. So the hope is to add some decent potting soil in the pot, put the plant in there, and it will stay moist or cooler temperatures with it being in the ground, and the sprinkler system will be able to hit it, and I don't have to worry about watering on days that I may not be available to water. So that's the plan, and when I'm done, it will look like that one over there. So I took the pot back out. I put it in initially just to kind of size it and see how deep I wanted it to be. So I took it out, removed a little bit more dirt, and then I'm placing it back in. Right now, the container is just sitting inside of the clay pot, and I'm just positioning the clay pot, fitting it into the ground. I'm not going to bury it all the way to the rim itself. And so now I took the planter out and then just put in a little bit of soil, and I'm using potting soil mix. And then I'm now loosening up the roots after taking it out of the container that it came in and placing it into the clay pot, backfilling it with some potting soil again, and that's all it is to it. And after that, of course, be sure to water your plants in. I also like to soak my plants in water before I put them in containers. I didn't do it this time, but that is a very good practice to do, just to ensure that they have enough moisture after putting them in your pots. So here's a look, a kind of a final look for the front of the yard, the front garden. The kids' pumpkins that they picked out, we placed those around. Overall, it was really fun hanging out with them for the day. My grandson is 4 years old. His name is Jackson. He is just adorable. He was diagnosed with autism 2 years ago. So gardening with him is a really fun exercise for us because he's really into textures. And earlier in the video, you saw where he was fascinated and fixated on that butterfly when we were at the nursery. But God knows what plans he has for all of us. So that's why I happily post Jeremiah 29:11 over my front door. So I am excited to do anything in the garden with all of my grandkids, my oldest being 20, and Madison actually filmed a part of this for me. I'm really happy she was able to help out. She's 10 years old. And so we have great plans and big plans for more things to come in the garden. You guys stick around with us. I hope you really enjoy what you're seeing so far. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for new upcoming videos. And also, I would love to get feedback from you. What are your thoughts on some things that we can do in the garden? Especially if you have a child with autism, know of one. I know that they really love textures, and there are things that they are fascinated with, and there are some things they don't want to do. We love exploring with Jackson. So if you have some feedback, I am open to hearing it. Be sure to stick around to the end because I'll take you to the back garden and show you some of the things that we picked up, how we displayed those, and we're getting ready for a fall party. But before we head back, here's Madison's little creation she did with some of the pumpkins that she picked out for the mailbox area, where we set up a water-wise garden earlier this year. And she just displayed a few pumpkins with the white vinca. Guys, thank you so much for taking time to watch our videos. Hang in there with us. We got a little bit more to go, but I wanted to take a moment to say thank you to my granddaughter, Madison, 10 years old, honors student, and who is just an amazing big sister and a granddaughter. This is what Planting Life Matters means. This is why I'm doing this channel. My love for gardening obviously is a big part of this, but it's really my love for family and for my grandchildren, my daughter, who is also a gardener. We spend a lot of time together in the garden, and this is a place where we can forget about our troubles and our 9 to 5 and just let everything else go. Like many families, we have our challenges and our struggles, but this is the one place where we come together and meet and let everything else go and thank God for each and every new day. So continue to watch. I'm just sharing some final pictures with you from the garden in the back now. Remember those corn stalks that I picked up? We were able to get those done. And those leaves that are hanging from the lights, by the way, they sell those for only 6 feet long at Hobby Lobby for like $24.99. No, I would never pay that. I have my own lights up, and you just buy a strand of garland leaves. You can get them from the dollar store, or you can get them discounted anywhere, and you just hang them on your own lights and save a ton of money. There's the mum that Maddie and I put together in the planter. I am a pumpkin fanatic. I actually cut back this year, if I'm being honest. I am embarrassed to tell you how many pumpkins I normally have out in the backyard. I was going to pick up more of the larger ones, but we just got tired and didn't do it. We're going to still be adding some other items later. Later in the month, since this is October, we're celebrating Breast Cancer Awareness Month because I am a survivor, along with my sister, who is 1 year diagnosed for myself to the date, literally. So be sure to share because you never know how you just might plant a seed. And remember, planting life matters.